The education sector is unique, and it presents some unique challenges for fire and security. There's the buildings themselves. They're often older, or even the newer buildings are not always that easy. There's challenges created by timescales, those precious few weeks of the summer holidays for example. And then there's challenges created by the students, the pupils. And we're very familiar with that because we've been serving the education sector here for over 45 years throughout central England. Now, as I mentioned, the education sector is unique, so there's not a one-size-fits-all approach. Fixfire has learnt from experience and developed some unique solutions, including KeyCool, a specialist key-operated call point for use in SEN areas. It includes anti-tamper devices for your fire alarm systems and other equipment as well. We utilise multi-tone intelligent sounders, so instead of having just your fire alarm as your fire alarm, you've got class change, you've got bomb alert, lockdown alert. It makes fire alarm management easier. We have a mobile enabled app that enables you to track things like weekly testing, false activations, and make sure you've got that critical audit trail when you need it. And then there's the way things are done. Fixfire is an ISO 9001 accredited company with BAFE certification as well. We've also achieved Paxton Gold Installer status, so you can rest assured that you're in safe hands. So if you're looking for a new solution for your fire and security requirements, then speak to us. We'd love to help, whether it be installation, spares, or that critical preventive maintenance. Speak soon.